And I'm about to dive in it straight to the bottom. There is no topping this pop lock and drop on your man if you copping it, baby.
See what's out here. What a beautiful freaking little morning, guys. And we're here. Let's go, guys. We're at the freaking spot. Let's see what's out there. Be careful because it's probably really slippery. I'm on. Oh, I got a good one, Jaden. I got a good one, Jaden. I got a big one, Jaden. I got a big one. Look at that. I got a big one. No, watch out. Move your rod. I got a big one, Jaden. Look at that.
Whoa!
Look at that, Jaden.
Yeah!
On the swim bait. Let's go. Look at that, Jaden. Let's go, guys. We got a good one. This tail's beat up though, bro. Let's go. Good spot, guys. Woo. I'm on. Bro, I'm on. I got a good one. Stuck though. If we had a trouble hook right in the mascara. Yes, I got my pliers. Let's go.
Bro, I don't know. I got excited, eh?
It's cool, bro. Hit it. He's probably still there, just waiting for you to throw him something at his face.
Oh man, this is tiny. I know. I'm at least trying to hit it a little bit more. If I can't get him, pues ni modo. You know, I know I can come back and get his ass.
Yeah,
give him a rest.
I'm using the perfect bait for crappie too. If you have probably gonna clip one right now, crappie maybe right here.
That's how I lost the one that's going to This is a little bait right here. This is what I'm talking about.
Little arky crank?
Yeah.
Ooh. That felt like a little smacking. Oh, I got another one. It's a big one. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Bigger than the other one. Let's go. Thank you, bud. How's it going, partner? Huh? Yeah, I just got one, yeah. It's good right here. Also, Come on. Come on. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go. Thank you, bud. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch this release on this one. Thank you, buddy. Alright guys, that's it guys. Good little spot. I'm gonna get going though.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her, but she messed with the temperature. Heart wrote the song, but I am the messenger. Through the metropolis, there is no stopping this. Flowers and kisses, yeah. I heard you like chocolate. Light up the candles, tune up this channel. It's the ride of your life, girl. My room is Orlando. Bruce G the Mando. How much can you handle? I go commando. That body's so blanco. I'm grateful. Thank you for the things you do and say to keep me faithful. Thank you for the time you take to keep my heart from danger. Funny how when strangers stepped in, made up all these changes for the better. Ooh baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. 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 Ooh baby, yeah.